welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be putting on and reviewing the Manny MUA Lifesadrag palette, which I have right here. I'm so happy that I got this. I'm obsessed with the way that this turned out, and I really hope that you like it too. It's very colorful, it is Pride inspired, and I had a lot of fun using the bold colors in this palette. And yeah, if you want to see the video, keep on watching, but please thumbs up the video if you like it or if you know that you're going to like it. And subscribe to my channel, please. And check out my Instagram, SAMIAMBEAUTYX, and I do have a Facebook page coming soon. So yeah, you could probably check that out too if it's already up. And what else do I have to say? Yeah, stay tuned for my review and a tutorial on this look. Oh, come here. Whoops. Oh. Oh. Say hello. This is my sister's boyfriend's dog. His name is Otis. He's a long-haired Chihuahua. And I'm just looking after him for a couple hours. Okay. And be free. Alright, man, have I had a day. I've had a very long day, but today is all about Lifesadrag and Lunar Beauty, which I'm very, very, very excited to try out and review for you guys on camera. But little disclaimer, as you can tell, I am very sick. Not very sick, I'm feeling a lot better, but this is day 5 of this stupid throat infection thing. And yeah, I'm just gonna power through it, and I'm gonna film this, and it's gonna look great, and yeah, that's the plan for today. Alright, so now I did already open this, and I already used it because I got it last week, but then I got sick, and you know, just a whole bunch of excuses basically. But yeah, so when I opened the box, it came with this little card, really cute. Yeah, it's a 14-pan color palette, cruelty-free. And this is Manny MUA's brand. I will leave his socials down below, and I will leave a link for this eyeshadow palette. So this is a unit carton. I feel like, by the way, my very, very first impression was that this is huge. I didn't realize how big it was. Like, I had watched a whole bunch of videos on people reviewing it and people unboxing it and all that, and this is massive. Like, it's bigger than my head. Like, it is huge, and it's nice and weighty. This like design I think is gorgeous. It's got the kind of lifted font with a gold glitter. When you open it up, it has kind of this holographic photo of Manny MUA's eyes in drag makeup. I think it's really pretty. On the back it says Lunar Beauty in white with a metallic pink lifted font. I think it's really cute. And then when you open it, here, I'll open it this way. Ta-da! So this is the palette. Wanted it the second I saw it because it does have neutrals and pops of color, which I think is amazing. Now, I told you I've tried out this palette, but I actually haven't tried out the brush because I thought I would save that for my video. So it is a dual-sided brush. So it has kind of the more blending side on this one and kind of like a more packing shader brush on this side. And it's white with like a little pink ombre on the end, and it says Lunar Beauty. It's got like the pink metallic, I can't remember what that's called, like barrel. And each color is really, really creamy. They're all really soft, and I'm really happy that it does have a mirror in the palette. And it says Be a Queen, which I think is really cute. Now, I know a lot of people are like dragging Manny, no pun intended, because he's not a drag queen, but as he explained in his video, he started off in drag and he wouldn't be where he is now without entering makeup through the drag community. which I think is cool. Let me go ahead and do some swatches. We're going to start with Cake Face. There's Cake Face. Wow, that is a terrible swatch. Sickening. Hunty. Beat. Oh my god. And then we're going in with Shady. Holy moly. And then Trade. And then Mug. Legendary. And those are all kind of the neutral shades of the palette. And I have to go let the dogs out to pee and I'll be right back. Okay. Dogs went pee. Also, sorry if you can hear them tapping on the floor and barking and stuff. But anyways, those are the swatches. I think they swatch really, really well. Except for the white one. Not too impressed with that. But yeah, let's go for the colored shades now. There's Campy. And Pageant Queen. Ooh, yes. And Kiki. And Kai Kai. Snatched. Whew. That is beautiful. And Fishy. So those are the color swatches. And I mean, the one that impressed me the least is Kiki, but Manny did say in his video that that one is more of a builder shade, so I'm not mad. And now let's start the look. I want to do kind of something fun. It is Pride Month, so I want to kind of do something inspired by that if I can. So I'm actually going to start with the brush that it comes with, and I'm going to go in with Sickening, and I'm just going to pop that in the crease like I always do. Just going to kind of use this as a base blending shade. Now I have used the neutrals before, not all of them, but I have used the neutrals when I first used this palette, and I found that they do blend really well. They do have a really fair amount of pigmentation. They don't have too much kick up, and they don't have too much fallout, which is nice. And now just wiping the brush, I'm going to go in with Campy, the yellow color. I'm going to apply that on the inner part of my crease. And then not even going to clean off my brush, I'm going to go into Kai Kai. And by not cleaning off my brush, I'm going to let them blend a little better. Just going to put that in the middle of my crease. And I am kind of bringing it up a little higher because I'm going to make this a cut crease. I really, really like this color. Again, not cleaning off my brush, I'm just going to go into Pageant Queen. And I'm going to put that in the very outer corner. Ooh! That is very pigmented.
And this is my final look.
I'm just going to say right off the bat, they're blending in really well together. But this purple is pigmented, so you really don't have to go in with much at first. Oh my god, they blend so well. Look at this. Another first impression. This is actually something I noticed before, so I'm actually holding up the palette and using this mirror as I do my makeup. And it is really heavy, and it's, I don't know, like, I don't really feel like holding it up for the duration of this process, so I'm just going to use a different mirror because that is actually really heavy. And like, it's not like it fits in your hand nicely, it's like, I don't know, it's just a really big palette. And I'm going to go back into Kai Kai to kind of bring that out a little more because I feel like it got lost just a little. And cleaning off my brush, and I'm going to go back into Campy, the yellow shade, and just bring that back in there because I feel like that got lost a little bit too. Now I will say yellow is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors. I know that's so random and I don't really use it that often, but I just love yellow, and I do feel like Chrome Yellow by MAC is a little bit better. Sorry. Like, I feel like, you know, Campy would look great on more light skin tones. I just feel like with my skin tone, I do need a yellow that is just a little brighter. I am just going to go over the edges with a clean fluffy brush. And now this is like a really small Vanity Planet brush. I'm just going to use this, and I'm going to use my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer This is actually in the shade NC35, which is way too dark, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to go over it with the over top of it with the white. So I'm just putting that on my lid. I'm not moving it in too much because I want the yellow to be in. And then I'm just going to look up, and that's kind of going to create how high I should go. I'm not going to wing out the cut crease. I'm just going to stop it right at the end of the lid. Alright, so now we have our cut creases. And I'm going to use the opposite end that I haven't used yet of the brush that came in the palette. And I'm going to take the white color and just place that all over the lid. So it is working better than it was swatched. This color does have a little bit of fallout. I'm going to use the same side, and I'm going to take Beat, the pink color, and I'm going to apply that over top. Alright, so first things first, it's not applying as well on top of the white than it was when I used it last week, just on a normal base. I do like how it's making it not so pink though, and more of just kind of like a shimmer. Okay, now I'm going to wet it. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Oh my god, do you see what that did? Oh my god, that just took off the entire base. Okay, I'm gonna try the other side. Because my brush was already wet and I sprayed it again for the other eye, it like took off the white shadow and my concealer underneath. Oh my god, I've never had that happen. But okay, I fixed it. I just used the other side of the brush that wasn't wet already, and I just like packed it on without wetting the brush again. Ooh, that was a close call. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to use Kiki and Fishy. I'm going to start off with Kiki and this Royal Langnickel Smoky Eye BMD 421 brush. And I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner. Really don't like how that's applying. Okay, I really don't like how that's applying, so I'm going to try another brush just to see if it was the brush maybe. So this is just like a fluffier brush. The other one was more dense. Oh yeah, that's way better. And then I'm going to take this brush by Vanity Planet and I'm going to go in with Fishy and apply that to the outer part and just like bringing it to the top. I haven't done something this colorful in such a long time. I'm going to go back in with Kiki and kind of blend it in a little bit more. And I'm going to go back in with Pageant Queen. Try and blend the blue and the purple together a little. Ooh, just like that. Now I'm going to go in with my Minute Cowboy glitter liner. I'm just going to apply that on the inner part right here. Like from the inner to the middle of the lid. And I'm also going to apply this on the bottom, and I really hope it doesn't ruin the look. Alright, so mascara is on. I used the MAC Upward Lash, which is like the best mascara in the world. And then I put a very thin layer of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean on my waterline. And then I put MAC Yash lipstick with the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Moonchild lip gloss on top. And my face was already done before I started the eyes. And just one last thing I wanted to do, just like for fun, I wanted to take Beat and like, just gonna put it in my highlight area. Ooh. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Alright, oh my god. And that is the finished look. I didn't want to put any lashes on because I didn't want to distract from what was going on in the eyes. Didn't want to hide anything. But yeah, I am so happy with the way that this turned out. I haven't done anything this colorful in a really long time. I hope you liked it too. Overall, I would rate this palette probably an 8 or 9 out of 10. Just deducting points because it's not like very user friendly in terms of holding it up for long periods of time, and Cake Face wasn't my favorite color. Other than that, I really like this palette. I like the brush. I think it worked fine. Happy Pride, everyone. If you like this video, please like it, hit the thumbs up down below, and check out my Instagram, SAMIAMBEAUTYX, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Twink, do you have to go pee-pee? You gotta go pee-pee, Twink?
Wow, Odie. Wow.
He's scared of you.
I know.
By the way, this is going in my video.
Drink? Why are they following me this time? Explain that.
Because you're going to the kitchen.
No. No. No.
You smell like garlic dip.
Probably. No, Twink. Go to bed. Go to bed. In your cage. In your cage. Sorry. I'm sad.
No.
And then I'll leave.
No.
Alright, I'm not gonna leave then.
Okay, that's fine.
Odie.
Where'd it go? Twink, I'll be there in a second, okay? No, and chick.